Madhuri Dixit. She's known for her simplicity and elegance, and that's what we love about her. So that's why I chose this look, so that you can carry it, I can carry it. It's a very wearable look. If we see any fancy look, we like to look at it, but we can't wear it in everyday life. This is the look that you can wear to any day function with simplicity, and it's not a tough look, so even you can create it at your home. So keep watching. We will start with applying a moisturizer. It is very important for this look because this will give us a glossy base. So I am using a MAC illuminating cream. You can use any good moisturizer or an illuminating cream. And now I am using my KRYOLAN DERMA color concealer that I generally use with all my makeup to cover my under eye darkness. It is important to mix and to set your concealer very well. So basically I'm doing it with my fingers. You have to make it look flawless because our inspiration is Madhuri Dixit and she definitely has flawless under eye coverage. Now we will start with our foundation. I am taking a foundation from Makeup Studio. I have chosen this foundation because it's high coverage. Now I am using Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. It's a face oil. You can use any other face oil that you have. This is basically to set your base and look hydrated. I have a dry skin, so I have to use it. You can skip it if you have a oily skin. You can use any foundation that is high coverage because again I need to repeat that we need a flawless base. So for this we need to have a high definition and high coverage foundation. Now I am setting it with a loose powder. I am using Pack Cosmetic Banana Powder. You can use any other of your choice, whichever suits your skin. It will immediately set our base and lock it up for further makeup. Base is done and the main task is complete. Now we are putting up the eyeshadow. You have to choose a very light baby pink or blush pink color just to get a glimpse of it. We don't need a very dramatic eye makeup. We just need a very light and happy makeup. Now we will do our kajal and our liner. इधर ध्यान रखने की बात ये है, it's a very important thing that you don't make a winged liner. We have to make a very precise only up till the eyeliner and make it very thin. Don't make it very thick also, so that it looks precise. Use a proper eyeliner brush or a 0 number brush that you can get at any local makeup market store. And we are done with the eyes. Now we are going to shape our eyebrows, and it's a very important step. Don't overdo it. Everything we are underplaying, so this also we have to do it very naturally. Now it's time to line our lips. I am using a very mauvish pink color to line my lips, and I will fill a similar color inside. It's actually a natural typical pinkish lips gulabo style. Now filling it with my lipstick brush. You can get it in the market. So I am using this color from my lip palette. If you have a lip palette, great. Nahi to mix and match kijiye. You can mix and match your colors and make a mauve pink color to fill in. I'm not going with any particular brand. You get thousands of brands in India nowadays and you have so many lipsticks. It's not a brand conscious makeup video because you can use any makeup, you can use any brand and create this look. Look at it. Isn't it looking fresh already? Now comes the blush part. Enjoy your glow and your blushy cheeks because this is the look for it. I call it my gulabo look because it's all pinky, pinky, pinky. Hold your breath for the transformation and here it goes. Ta-da! Ho gaya hamara Madhuri style day makeup look ready. So if you like this simple, elegant style, then go for it and show me your photos in our comments or send me on Instagram. I would love to show them to all. This is the whole look. I hope you like it. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.